Today. So today we're talking about aircon system. So aircon system, you've got 4 stages which your gas goes in. First it starts with your aircon compressor. From your aircon compressor turns the low pressure gas into high pressure gas. High pressure gas is then sent all the way with your pipes through to your aircon condenser. In your aircon condenser, with the air coming from the front of the vehicle or your fan comes on, it cools down the high pressure gas and turns it into a high pressure liquid. When gas cools down, it becomes a liquid. From your aircon condenser, it goes through to your expansion valve. Then your high pressure liquid becomes a low pressure liquid in your expansion valve. From your expansion valve, it goes to your aircon evaporator. In your evaporator, it fills up your evaporator and it cools it down to about 3 degrees. With your interior fan at the back of it, it blows through your evaporator, it blows the cold air into the vehicle, which then heats up the gas inside the evaporator, which turns the liquid back into gas. It heats up. From there, it goes back to your aircon compressor, which then the cycle begins from over again with a low pressure gas turns into high pressure gas. Also various other components in your aircon system, which your aircon dryer sits here on the side of your aircon condenser, and then you've got a pressure valve, which measures the pressure in your aircon circuit. So if your compressor comes on and the pressure goes high enough, above 10 bars, your fans come on and it drops your low pressure, as well as if your aircon pressure becomes too much, the switch also tells the pump to switch off. And that's your aircon system.